Alright guys, today I'm going to do a short review on the small bird hat of Arcteryx. I've been using this hat for some time now, maybe a year or so. So about the design, I actually like the design of this, especially the material, right? It feels very soft, and the icon, the emblem here, is kind of like a gold color, which I feel like it's small, it's not so big, too big also, just right. It's kind of like minimalist. That's why I like it. Let's talk about the inside now. Right, they have this band. Right, this is I think from the dirt. Right, I haven't been washing it for a while. This band material actually very comfortable when we are wearing it. By the way, I keep this one to hold its shape, so I try to keep it as long as possible, but I remove it when I wash the hat. Okay, the inner material is actually the same with the outer one because it's one piece, right? It's not double up or anything. So the back here, right, this is the things that I don't like about the what we call the adjuster. All right, so I don't like it because of it get loose, right? Every time I put it on, I have to adjust every time if I feel like it's losing up. I have to pull it from here. It's easy to pull it tight, but every time I put it on, right, it will loosen over time, which annoy me. You see, just by putting it down, it will lose up like this. So Arcteryx make a better adjuster, right? So it hold up better. You see, over time it will loosen up. Right, this is what I don't like about this thing, right? Fix it, Arcteryx, fix it. Otherwise the hat will be perfect. And this is the clip that open up. Hope you guys see it. I'll try to undo this with one hand. No way. Okay. No. But I don't have any problem with this one other than, yeah, it's done. I push it right like this and then clip it back. Right. I have problem with this one. Loosen up every time. Loosen up every time. So this is a short video for the small bird hat from Arcteryx. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys thinking of buying one, I think it's worth buying one because of the design, the minimalist feeling of this. Just a logo and like all black, or they have like different colors. I see like the pink colors for the girls, for the women's. Right, that's about everything. Right, hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace.